Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a trip back to the stylish and daring 1950s to check out one of the most unique American classics ever built, the 1955 Studebaker Speedster. A car that combined luxury, performance, and pure attitude, all wrapped in that unmistakable mid-century flair. Let's dive into its exterior, interior, performance, and finish with why the Speedster remains a gem among classic car enthusiasts today. Exterior. The 1955 Studebaker Speedster stood out instantly with its bold, futuristic design. Built on the President hardtop coupe body, it featured sharp lines, a long, low stance, and that distinctive bullet nose-inspired front grille that made it instantly recognizable. Chrome accents were everywhere, from the wide front bumper to the tail fins and rear deck trim. The car's two-tone paint schemes were pure 1950s art, colors like Hialeah green and Sun Valley yellow, or coral pink and gray mist, turned heads wherever it went. A wraparound windshield and sleek roofline gave the Speedster a modern, aerodynamic touch for its time, and those wire wheel covers added just the right amount of sporty elegance. The Studebaker badge proudly announced that this wasn't your average American cruiser, it was something special. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by one of the most luxurious cabins of the mid-1950s. The Speedster's interior was a masterclass in comfort and style. It came standard with leather upholstery, a padded dashboard, and a full array of instruments, including an 8,000 RPM tachometer, 160 miles per hour speedometer, and even an altimeter. The attention to detail was impressive, from the chrome trim along the dash to the stylish steering wheel and plush carpeting. Every surface felt premium. The engine-turned dashboard design gave it a sporty yet refined look, reminding drivers that this wasn't just a cruiser, it was a performance coupe meant to be driven. Performance. Under the hood, the 1955 Studebaker Speedster packed a serious punch for its day. It came equipped with a 259 cubic inch, 4.2-liter V8 engine, producing around 185 horsepower. Paired with either a 3-speed manual or automatic transmission, the Speedster delivered strong acceleration and a smooth, confident ride. Thanks to Studebaker's relatively lightweight design and lower center of gravity, handling was better than most American cars of its time. It also featured power steering, power brakes, and dual exhausts, features that made it not only powerful but also surprisingly easy to drive. It may not have been a drag strip monster, but for the mid-1950s, the Speedster's mix of speed, style, and sophistication was unmatched. Conclusion. The 1955 Studebaker Speedster was more than just a car, it was a statement. It showcased Studebaker's ambition to combine cutting-edge design with high-end performance. Though it was produced for only 1 year and in limited numbers, around 2,200 units, it became an icon of 1950s automotive style. Today, it stands as a highly collectible classic, admired for its craftsmanship, rarity, and unique place in American car history. Whether you love it for its design, luxury, or performance, there's no denying the Studebaker Speedster captured the adventurous spirit of its era. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1955 Studebaker Speedster, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another ride through automotive history. What's your favorite classic car from the 1950s? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to hear your picks.